Hey guys, this is Data Gyan, and today I have come up with a new use case that has been asked in the recent times in the interviews for data engineering as well as data analyst. So this is an important SQL question, and the use case is how to swap the values in your table depending upon the values that are present in your schema columns. So for understanding that, please take a look how the schema column and how the table is looking and what is the touch and feel of the table. So we are going to create a table with ID, name, sex, and salary. Okay, so ID will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Names will be ABCD for like better understanding. And I have given male, female, main, female, and I have given salary for something corresponding to the IDs. What is the required output? It was asked to me in one of the recent interviews, and I found it as a good question to like test your knowledge on the basic parameters such as an update query as well as complex like conditions such as your case wins. So I want all the three schema columns, ID, name, and salary, to remain same, but only the position of males with females should be interchanged. So what we mean by that, as and when there is a M written in the sex column, you have to convert it to F, that signifies female. And as soon as you find a female, like F in your column, it should be changed to M. So let's go ahead and create our table and let's see how we can perform this operation. Okay, so let me just paste this. So what I'm doing right now, you can use this same compiler. So it's programmage.com. It's a SQL compiler. It's a good one that you would have prefer using this because it's online and it can be easily accessible from any configuration. You don't need to have installed anything in your laptop. So I have created a table. Name of the table I have kept as salary. I have chosen ID as int, name as varchar, sex as character, and salary as int. Okay, just go ahead and run the query. As you can see, query has run successfully. Now let's insert the values in our table. Okay, so I have inserted 4 values. Let's use the same table we like saw for salary values. This you should provide. These are your schema columns, and then you have to write values, and then you have to map the values according to this. Why we are using like salary table name with the schema column? Because it will go and map ID with 1, name with A, sex with M, and salary with the salary that you have signified. What happens basically is like, if in this scenario, if you miss something, it will not hamper your table. But if you don't give the schema reference for the values, then it can cause an issue. Okay, so it's ideal, it's advisable that you provide the schema column and then write values and then provide the values for that schema. Okay, so let's run this. As you can see, the query has executed successfully. Let's remove this and let's select star from salary. Okay, let's see whether the table has been created in the similar fashion or not. So as you can see, okay, it seems like we have done it twice. No issues. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and as I can see, ABCD is the name, and it is coming like this. Okay, so it's the same table. I believe we have mentioned it twice, so that might have caused the issue. Okay, 2 times I have entered. No issues. So you can see this now. How to approach this problem? Okay, for approaching the problem, what you need to do, because the requirement is you need to swap M with F, right? For this, it's better to use a single update query. So let's see the query and then let's work upon it. Okay, as we have multiple on the outer side, we have seen only 4 rows, but here we have 8 rows, so it gives a better perspective as well. So how to write this query? What am I doing? I have to update. That's quite evident from the use case itself, that I want to change the M's with F and F with M. That's simple. Then update salary. Okay, right? Because we are doing updation. Okay, salary set. So what is the schema, or what is the syntax for update? Update the schema table, set the column name on which you are doing this like changes, and give some condition on it, right? So I am updating the salary, like salary is our table name. Update salary, set schema column name is sex. Okay, because M and F are there in this. I have given case. So when there is M, then change into F, else M. Okay, So as soon as this condition is satisfied, so let's see how the conditions will be applied. So I have given case, okay? So when M is there, then change it to F. So this M will be changed to F. Else change it to M. How? If F will be there, it will be changed to M. So let's run this query. Okay, now let's select this. Select star from salary. Okay, let's run this. See, this has been changed. Let's take the first 4 so that we can match it over there. Okay, let's see whether the output is similar or not. See, 1AM and 2500, right? Now it has been 1AF and 2500. Next was 2BF and 1500. It has been changed to 2BM and 1500. Similarly goes for all the schema columns, right? This was the expected output, and we were able to get this output properly, right? So this is the basic scenario in which we can swap the values and we can operate on top of this. Hope you would have liked the video. Please subscribe and forward this, as this will be beneficial for you as well as your friend who are going to give interviews in 2023. Okay, best of luck, guys. See you soon.